Now we will discuss the valproic acid. Valproic acid is an anti-seizure drug. Mechanism of action. The mechanism of action for valproic acid is that it inhibits or blocks the voltage gated sodium channels. Valproic acid also blocks the calcium currents and also the valproic acid has other effects, that is it increases the levels of GABA by decreasing the degradation of GABA and increasing the production of GABA. This is the mechanism of action of valproic acid. Valproic acid is used in tonic, clonic and partial seizures, as well as valproic acid is used in mania and bipolar disorders. These are uses of valproic acid. The adverse effects of valproic acid are weight gain, teratogenicity, liver damage, furthermore, the valproic acid also leads to alopecia, as well as nausea and vomiting, etc. This is all about the valproic acid. Now we will discuss the carbamazepine. What is the mechanism of action of carbamazepine? Carbamazepine blocks the voltage gated sodium channels as well as carbamazepine decreases the release of glutamate. The uses of carbamazepine are tonic, clonic and partial seizures, mania, bipolar disorders and trigeminal neuralgia. Trigeminal neuralgia is the pain in the region supplied by the trigeminal nerve, mainly in the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve. The adverse effects of carbamazepine are ataxia, diplopia, headache, blood dyscrasias, and also it is having teratogenic potential, so it is contraindicated in pregnancy. Furthermore, carbamazepine can lead to cognitive impairment, that is cognitive impairment. This is all about the carbamazepine, its mechanism of action, its uses and its adverse effects. Now we will discuss the phenobarbital, phenytoin. The mechanism of action for phenytoin is it blocks voltage gated sodium channels. Phenytoin is used in generalized tonic-clonic and partial seizures, but it has very dangerous adverse effects, so it is rarely used. The adverse effects of phenytoin are ataxia, diplopia, gingival hyperplasia. This is gingival hyperplasia and hirsutism and neuropathy. And neuropathy. This is all about the adverse effects of phenytoin. The next drug is lamotrigine. Lamotrigine. The lamotrigine blocks the voltage gated sodium channels. Lamotrigine also blocks the voltage gated calcium channels, and it also decreases the glutamate release. It also decreases the release of glutamate. The uses of lamotrigine is generalized tonic-clonic and partial seizures. Furthermore, it is used in myoclonic and absence seizures. Lamotrigine is mostly used as an adjuvant drug with these drugs to treat the seizures. These are the uses of lamotrigine. The adverse effects of lamotrigine are dizziness, skin rash, and other adverse effects of lamotrigine are headache and life-threatening Stevens-Johnson syndrome, that is SJS. We will summarize all these drugs now. This is valproic acid. The mechanism of valproic acid is that it blocks the voltage gated sodium channels, calcium channels, and increases the levels of GABA. It is used in tonic-clonic and partial seizures, mania and bipolar disorders, and the adverse effects of it is weight gain, teratogenicity, hepatic damage, alopecia, and nausea. It is contraindicated in pregnancy. The carbamazepine blocks the voltage-gated sodium channels and decreases the release of glutamate, and it is used in tonic-clonic and partial seizures, mania, bipolar disorders, and trigeminal neuralgia, ataxia, diplopia, headache, blood dyscrasias, and teratogenicity and cognitive impairment are the adverse effects of carbamazepine. Phenytoin blocks the voltage-gated sodium channels and it is used but rarely in the treatment of tonic-clonic and partial seizures. Ataxia, diplopia, hirsutism, and neuropathy, etc. are the adverse effects of phenytoin. Lamotrigine. Lamotrigine blocks the voltage-gated sodium channels, calcium channels, and decreases the release of glutamate. It is used in tonic-clonic and partial seizures, myoclonic seizures, and absence seizure, but mostly as an adjuvant to these drugs. The adverse effects of lamotrigine is dizziness, skin rash, headache, and Stevens-Johnson syndrome. This is all about the anti-seizure drugs. Thank you.